Hi students, today we will see solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Means we will see the factorization method. You can see here the example they given, that is x square minus 4x minus 5. And the answer came x minus 5 into x plus 1. How did it come? That I will show you here. Okay, same example we will take, and that example I will solve here. X square minus 4x minus 5 by factorization method. Already you have studied this method in 8th and 9th standard, but again I will repeat this to solve the example. Okay, so I will write here the example x square minus 4x minus 5. Now look here, the coefficient of x square is 1. So we have to factorize negative 5 such as that answer it should come negative 4. So 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now here 5 contains negative sign. So bigger number sign will give negative and 1 will come plus. Look, negative 5 multiplied by 1 negative 5 and negative 5 plus 1 negative 4. So we have to write the factors. X square minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. Okay. Now here x is common, x minus 5. Another bracket, nothing common, so 1 is common and x minus 5. Now 2 times the same bracket repeated, that is x minus 5. So you have to write this bracket one time. Now remaining into x plus 1. So these are the factors of x square minus 5x, x square minus 4x minus 5. Now in your book they said you have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So one more step we have to do here. They will give you here is equal to 0. So these factors x minus 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is mean by x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here the value of x, it is equal to 5 or x is equal to negative 1. Okay, these are the solution of the given equation. Now keep in mind, if product of two numbers is 0, then at least one of them is 0. So we had taken here 0. And here you got the solution of this equation is x is equal to 5 or x is equal to negative 1. One more example we will solve here of factorization method. Okay, I will write here the example. X square plus 10x, okay, x square plus 10x plus 24 is equal to 0. Now I have to find the solution of this equation. Look here, you have to find the factors of 24. It should come 10. Both numbers are positive. So you have to see the factors. Here I got the factors 6 4s are or 4 6s are. Now I will write here x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 24 is equal to 0. Now look here, x is common, then x plus 6 plus 4 is common. another bracket x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here x plus 6 repeated 2 times, so we have to write it one time only. So the factors are x plus 6, another bracket, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here just I will rub this because I want to write the next steps from your example. So I will write here. Okay, now you can write here x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now I got the value x is equal to 6. I will shift right side, so it will become negative, or x is equal to negative 4. Okay, then negative x and negative 4, these are the solutions of the given quadratic equation. Okay, one more example I will take here, that is of another method, factorization method only, but the examples type is different. Okay, so I will write here the example. Look here, x square is equal to 121. Now look, here we want to find the solution of x. Here x square is equal to 121. It is the quadratic equation. Here a constant term is, x term is not there, constant term is 121. Now look here, I want to find the value of x. So taking square root of both the sides, what will I get? X is equal to 121 is the square of 11. So here my answer, it will come plus or minus 11. Okay, then the values of x, it would be x is equal to positive 11 or x is equal to negative 11. Okay, these are the values. Now suppose like this way, one more example I will take here. Suppose x square is equal to x square is equal to 5. Now how to solve this equation? Do you know how to solve? Here 5 is not the perfect square, so I will write this example like this way: x square minus 5 is equal to 0. Now look, this x square minus 5 means root 5 bracket square is equal to 0. Okay, now next step will be, here you can see both the squares is equal to 0, means here the expansion formula you have to use, a square minus b square. So what is the answer of that? X plus root 5, another bracket, x minus root 5 is equal to 0. So separately we will write x plus root 5 is equal to 0, or x minus root 5 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to negative root 5 or x is equal to positive root 5. These are the solutions of the given equation. Okay, do you understand this? Now one more example I will take. Before that we solve the example. That example you can solve also by using this method also. Okay, by using the method whatever we used in the example, x square is equal to 5. Solve and see both the answers, it will come equal only. Now I will write the next type of factorization example only. Okay, that is, suppose 4x square is equal to 12x. Now how to solve this equation? So look here, 4x square minus 12x is equal to 0. Now from these two numbers 4x will come common. So I will take out the common 4x. Then what remain inside? X minus 4 3s are 12. 3 is equal to 0. You can see here in between 4x and x minus 3 there is multiplication sign. So here I can write 4x is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Then first value it will come, for if you will divide then the value of x it should be 0, or here second the value x is equal to 3. Okay, these are the values of the given equation. Now one more type is there that we will see. If we had seen the example that the coefficient of x is 1, then and if the given quadratic equation is in the type of trinomial, then we were finding the factors of third term such as it should be equal to the second term. Now we will see if the coefficient of x square is other than 1, then how to solve the examples. Okay, so I will write here one example. 2x square plus 27x plus 13 is equal to 0. Now you can see here the coefficient of x is 2. So first of all I have to multiply the third term and the coefficient of x square. What will I get here? 2 multiplied by 13. See here, it is equal to 26. Now I have to find the factors of 26 such as it should come 27. Now I got just only one factors, that is 26 ones are, yes, 26 ones are 26 and 26 plus 1 is 27. So I will write here the factors. These are 2x square plus 26x plus 1x plus 13 is equal to 0. Okay, don't write the equal sign in front of the equation because right side equal sign is there. Now I will take out common from these first two terms and remaining two terms. Now first two terms the common is 2x and inside x plus 13. Okay, now here nothing common means 1 is common in that. Inside bracket x plus 13 is equal to 0. Okay. Now next step is what I have to do here. Here which two brackets are equal? X plus 13. So I have to write this bracket as one time. So here x plus 13 and another bracket, I will write it just below this, into is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 13 is equal to 0. So the value directly I will write here is equal to negative 13. Or here 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, first I will shift 1 that side, then it will become negative 1, and 2 is multiplied by, so it will come divided by. So the solution of this equation is x is equal to negative 13 or x is equal to negative 1 upon 2. Okay. By using this factorization method, you have to solve practice set 2.2 in your notebook. Thank you. Bye.